Hello children, I am your maths teacher and chapter numbers, the last part we are going to do. Okay, we did some revision and there are some more revisions pending. Okay, now page 82. So take page 82. Let us see what is the first question. We have to add 1 to the greatest 8-digit number and write the number name formed in Indian place value system and international place value system. So the greatest 2-digit is 99. That means 2 nines. So same way the greatest 8-digit number will be having what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nines. Okay. Then you have to add 1 to it, means you will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros and a 1. Okay, so this is what you get. So this you have to write in Indian place value system. That means after 1000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore, 10 crore. Okay, so here what did you get now? 10 crore. So 10 crore. Okay, 10 crore will be in the Indian place value system. Okay, and so in the international place value system you cannot put the commas like this, right? So we'll write the 8 zeros again, 1 and 8 zeros. Okay, I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here there are thousands, but after that they don't have lakh. What is it? They have 100,000, then million, 10 million and 100 million. So where this one stand? It is, what is the value of this number now? In international it is 100 million. So let us write here in words we have to write. That means number name. You will write 100 million. Okay, now next question you have to write in figures the smaller number. One they have given in international, one in Indian. Okay, so we have to write which is smaller. So first, the best way to compare is what you will write both the numbers in figures. First they have given 400 million. 100 million is 1 and 8 zeros. Okay, so 400 million will be 4 and I am writing in this book. Okay, 4 and 8 zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the next number, it is 36 crore. That is in Indian. Let us write it separately here. Okay, 36 crore. Then 64, oh sorry, not 64, 60 lakh, 48,340. Okay, so this is one number, this is the other number. So this is having 8 zeros and 1, means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. Both are having, how will you compare numbers that we are doing? We are doing the steps. Okay, first step, we are counting the digits. Both are having same digits. Now we will start comparing from the left side. This is 4, this is 3. So which is smaller one? This one. So you have to write this number. In figures you have to write, that is here 36 crore. That you have to write in figures. How will you write it? 36 crore, comma, 60 lakh, comma, 48,000 and 340. Okay. Next one. Next is write which number should you subtract from 9875,642. That is 98 lakh 75,642 in order to get the smallest 7-digit number. What is the smallest 7-digit number? The smallest 7-digit number will be 1 and 6 zeros. Okay. What is the smallest 10-digit number? Means 2-digit number. It is 10. Right. That means 1 and 1 0. Same way the smallest 7-digit number will be 1 and 7-digit, means 1 minus 7. That is 6 zeros. Okay. So 1 and 6 zeros. This is the smallest 7-digit number. We have to get that from this. What is this? How much digit does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is also 7-digit number. That is 98 lakh. And this is how much? This is 10 lakh. So 98 lakh 75,642. You have to change it into what? 10 lakh. So when you want to change it into 10 lakh means what? You have to minus 10 lakh from this. Whatever value you get when you minus 10 lakh from this, that you will have to minus from this. Then you will get what? 10 lakh. Okay. So from this, if you minus, see, I'm writing that number over here, 98,75,642. Okay. When you minus 10 lakh from this, what will you get? 10 lakh is the smallest 7 digit. You will get, all these will come, these numbers you will write the same way. They won't change. Only 98 minus 10. What will it be? 88. So this will be the number if you subtract 10 lakh from 98 lakh 75,642. Okay. So you will get 88 lakh. Okay. Now this, so in the opposite way, if you minus 98 lakh 75,642 minus 88 lakh 75,642 will be what? 10 lakh. Right? So if you want to get 10 lakh, by minusing something from this, that number will be what? 88, just 1000, 10 lakh minus this number, that is 88 lakh 75,642. That means this number, when you minus from, this is 88 lakh 75,000. All the rest digits are same. And this is 98 lakh. So 98 minus 88 will give you what? 10. That is 10. How much? What? 10 lakh. So 10 lakh will be what? The smallest 7 digit number. Okay. So that is how you get it. Next, let us do with those are just general things. Make the face of a clock out of cardboard sheet and write Roman numerals on it. Okay. These things are extra activities. Okay. That we'll go through it later. Okay. Now we'll do the revision part. Okay. Next one. These are mental maths. I am 1 less than the smallest 6 digit number. These you have to. These are just revision. Okay. Smallest 6 digit number. Now what will be the smallest 6 digit number? It will be what? 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay. That will be the smallest 6 digit number. Now I am 1 less than smallest 6 digit number. So what will it? Minus 1. So what will that be? It will be the biggest. What? When you subtract 1 from the smallest 6 digit number, you will get the biggest 5 digit number. Okay, that is 9999, 5 digit 5 nines. If you add 1, you will get what? 1 and 5 zeros. That is smallest 6 digit number. When you add what? 1 to 9, 1 to 99, you get 100. Right? 99 is the what? It is the greatest 2 digit number and 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. Right? Same way, if you when you subtract, that is 100 minus 1 is 99. Same way, this, what is the number in values? It is 1 lakh minus 1 is what? 99,999. So this is what you will get when you minus 1 from the smallest 6 digit number. Smallest 6 digit number means there is no number what? Smaller than that. So the next smallest backward, when you count, it will be a 5 digit number. So that will be 5 digit number. The last one of the 5 digit number, what do you call it? The greatest 5 digit number. So that is this. Okay. This is what you get. So when you less, this is the smallest 6 digit number. From this you are minusing 1, you will get 99999. Okay. Next, I am the sum of 3000 and the greatest 3 digit number. Now what is the greatest 3 digit number? It will be 999, 3 nines. Okay. And I am the sum of 3 nines and 3000. That means 3000 and plus 999. How will you write this as? You will write this as 3999. Okay. Next, I am 10 lakh less than the greatest 7 digit number. Now the greatest 7 digit number will have 7 nines. Okay, I am writing it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nines. And I am 10 lakh less than 10 lakh. So how much is this? greatest 7-digit number, it is 99 lakh. 99,999. Okay. I am 10 lakh less means what? 99 lakh will turn into 89 lakh. So what will you write? The rest of the number you have to write. That is 89 lakh 99,999. Okay. This will be the value. Okay. 89 lakh 99,999. Okay. Next one. Write any number with 2 in its ones place. Any number 2 in its ones place, you can write 312. 312. See, it is having 2 in its ones place. Write 6 in its hundreds place. 6 hundreds place. In 6 hundreds place, it has to be 6. Means you can write any number. Okay, here 6 is in its hundreds place, right? Next.